Wealth isn't made with luck, it's built through habits. And today, I'll show you the 10 habits that millionaires swear by. What separates the wealthy from everyone else? It's not just their income, it's what they do daily. These are the exact strategies that can take your finances to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to take your finances to the next level. Be sure to comment some habits that are stopping you from having financial freedom today. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. Did you know most millionaires save at least 20% of their income spending a dime? That's right, they prioritize their future selves first. Think about it. If you're constantly spending everything you earn, how can you ever expect to get ahead? You know what they say, you can't out-earn overspending. Even Warren Buffett prioritized saving from his very first paycheck. He started setting aside money for investments as a teenager, proving that this habit can transform your life no matter how small you start. Imagine if teenage Warren Buffett can do it, so can you. Here's how powerful this habit can be. Imagine someone earning $3,000 a month. Instead of spending first, they decide to automate 20%, that's $600, into a high-yield savings account or investment portfolio. Over 5 years, even without extraordinary returns, they'd have over $36,000 saved. The key is to make it a habit and gradually increase the amount you save as your income grows. Automate your savings today to prioritize wealth building over expenses. Habit 2. Track your spending. Look, if you don't know where your money is going, how will you ever control it? It's like driving a car with your eyes closed. You might get away with it for a little while, but eventually you're going to crash and burn. It's surprisingly common, even for really successful people. Basketball legend Shaquille O'Neal once admitted he almost went broke because he didn't track his spending. Learning to manage his money turned his fortune around, helping him build a net worth over $400 million. Think about it. Picture someone who buys coffee every day, eats out 3 times a week, and makes impulse purchases online. Without tracking, they could be spending an extra $500 a month without realizing it. But by using a budgeting app to see where every dollar goes, they could redirect that money into an emergency fund or an investment account. Over time, this habit can drastically change their financial future. There are tons of budgeting apps and tools available these days that make tracking your spending easier than ever. Start using budgeting tools to track every dollar you earn. Habit 3. Invest consistently. Here's the thing. Millionaires don't wait for the perfect time to invest. They invest regularly. They understand that time is their greatest asset, and the sooner they start, the more time their money has to grow. Even John D. Rockefeller, one of the wealthiest individuals in history, understood this. He started investing small amounts of his paycheck as a clerk. By staying consistent, he built one of the largest fortunes in history. Let's look at an example. Let's say someone begins investing $200 a month in a diversified index fund with an average annual return of 8%. After 10 years, their portfolio would grow to nearly $36,000. Over 30 years, it could balloon to over $275,000, all from small, consistent contributions. Whether it's setting up automatic contributions to your retirement account or investing a portion of each paycheck, the most important thing is to be consistent. You can start with as little as $100 a month and watch it grow over time. Habit 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, does your spending grow with it? That's a trap so many people fall into. Millionaires, on the other hand, understand the importance of living below their means, even as they become more successful. Take Ingvar Kamprad, the billionaire founder of IKEA. He famously drove a 20-year-old Volvo and flew economy class to save money. Here's a scenario that illustrates the power of this habit. Imagine someone earning $80,000 a year, but living like they make $50,000. By saving the difference, $30,000 a year, they could build a substantial nest egg, start a business, or retire earlier than their peers. True wealth is about financial freedom and security, not about showing off. Remember, live below your means and use the extra money to invest in your future. Habit 5. Build multiple streams of income. Millionaires understand that relying on just one source of income can be risky. That's why they focus on building multiple streams of income to diversify their earnings and create financial stability. Think about Elon Musk. He didn't stop at just Tesla. By diversifying into SpaceX, SolarCity, and other ventures, he created multiple income streams that make him billions. Let's look at a more relatable example. Picture a teacher who starts tutoring online in the evenings and selling lesson plans on a marketplace like Teachers Pay Teachers. Their side hustle brings in an extra $1,000 a month, which they use to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Over time, these additional income streams compound and provide financial freedom. Whether it's freelancing, starting an online business, or investing in real estate, the possibilities are endless. Start by exploring side hustles or small investments to build your first additional income stream. Habit 6. Learn continuously. Did you know the average CEO reads 60 books a year? That's right. Successful people are committed to lifelong learning. They understand that knowledge is power, and they're constantly seeking to expand their skills and understanding. Bill Gates, a prime example of a lifelong learner, reads 50 books a year. He credits his continuous learning habit as a major factor in his success. Imagine this. Consider someone who commits to reading just one book a month on personal finance or investing. Over a year, they gain practical strategies to cut expenses, grow their income, and invest wisely. Learning doesn't have to be boring. Listen to podcasts, attend webinars, or take online courses. The key is to make it a habit to constantly be learning and growing. Your future self will thank you. Habit 7. Network with the right people. You've probably heard the saying, your network is your net worth. Well, it's true. The people you surround yourself with can have a huge impact on your success. Think about Oprah Winfrey. She didn't build her empire alone. She surrounded herself with visionary mentors and collaborators like Maya Angelou. These relationships provided support, guidance, and opportunities that helped her reach new heights. Imagine this. You start attending local business meetups and connecting with professionals in your industry. Through one of these events, you find a mentor who shares key insights on scaling your side hustle. Surrounding yourself with ambitious, like-minded individuals can inspire you to set bigger goals and achieve more than you ever thought possible. Remember, surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to grow. Habit 8. Stay disciplined and patient. The biggest secret to wealth? It's not some get-rich-quick scheme. It's time and discipline. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires patience and perseverance. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's right-hand man, knows a thing or two about this. He emphasizes that patience is the secret to investment success. He once said, "The big money is not in the buying or selling, but in the waiting." Think about it. Imagine a young investor who starts putting $500 a month into their 401k. At first, the growth seems slow, but they stay consistent. By the time they retire 30 years later, their account has grown to over $1 million. All because they trusted the power of compounding and stayed patient. Remember, stick to your plan and let compounding work its magic. Habit 9. Take calculated risks. Here's the thing. Playing it safe won't make you wealthy, but neither will reckless risks. Millionaires understand the importance of taking calculated risks that are well thought out and aligned with their goals. Just look at Jeff Bezos. He took a massive risk by leaving a stable Wall Street job to start Amazon. That one decision revolutionized the world and made him one of the richest people alive. Let's say you're working a corporate job and decide to dedicate your evenings to building an online store. You start small, investing only $2,000 in inventory, and test your product in the market. Within 6 months, you generate enough income to replace your 9-to-5 and scale your business. That's a calculated risk that paid off. Of course, not all risks are created equal. It's important to do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and have a solid plan in place. Remember, weigh the pros and cons before making financial decisions, but don't fear stepping out of your comfort zone. Habit 10. Give back. Here's a habit most people overlook: generosity. It might seem counterintuitive, but giving back can actually be a powerful wealth-building habit. Bill and Melinda Gates, for example, have donated over $50 billion to global causes. Their philanthropy not only makes a real difference in the world, but also enhances their business reputation and creates a lasting legacy. Imagine this. You're a successful entrepreneur who decides to dedicate 5% of your profits to funding scholarships for underprivileged students. Over time, your generosity not only transforms lives, but also builds a stronger community and enhances your business reputation. Giving back doesn't have to mean donating millions of dollars. Even small acts of giving can leave a lasting legacy. So there you have it. 10 millionaire habits that can transform your finances. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about making smart choices consistently. Which of these habits resonated with you the most? Are you already practicing any of them? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Until next time, take care and keep hustling.